Hello dear traders, you are watching ИнстаФорекс TV with me, Ekaterina Stechina. During our weekly link up, we are going to talk about the major currency pairs movement and forecast further charts dynamics with the help of our technical analysis expert, Piotr Yakimowicz. During the week, traders' sentiment towards the greenback was uncertain. First, there were sell orders, then buy orders, but by the end of the week, traders opened sell orders due to the disappointment with the Fed's policy. Peter, hello. In your opinion, did the market participants change their views on USD, and what are your trading recommendations for Euro USD?
Hello there, traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the Euro USD. We got the news, we got the meeting minutes in the US, and we got the climatic action on the Euro USD. Basically, this may be a just news effect, and in fact, the Euro USD is in a strong downward trend, and I found retracement, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement around 1.1095. And this level held successfully, so be careful when buying, since we are still in the downward trend on the USD. My advice towards for selling opportunities on the pullbacks with a take profit at 1.0915. So again, due to the climatic action after the news and the USD is still in downward trend, my suggestion is to try to establish the selling positions.
The Bank of England meeting is due next week. How the expectations of the Bank of England's interest rates decision can influence the GBPUSD pair?
I'm expecting a lower price on the GBPUSD. GBPUSD got still head and shoulders formation in the background according to the 4-hour time frame, which is very strong formation, strong topping formation, and the price broke neckline a few days ago. Anyway, the price struggling to go lower, but due to the news, we got a lot of news in the past days. So this is why there is a lot of mixed price action, a lot of sideways, even though we broke the neckline from head and shoulders formation. Anyway, I'm still expecting lower price, since I found lower swing highs over the past few days, or even 2 weeks almost. So there is a lower swing highs, which suggesting the downward pressure. My advice is to watch for selling opportunities, and the first take profit level is set at 1.3055, and that is the Fibonacci expansion 61.8%. Then we got, if the price breaks 1.3055 in a high volume, we may see the potential testing of Fibonacci expansion 100% at 1.2880. Also, one interesting thing on the GBPUSD is at the very highest high on this currency pair, we got the climatic action. So big climatic action, ultra high volume, widespread of the bar, closing well of the highs. So this is a major sign of the weakness on the GBPUSD, and it's still active, by the way. We also saw the absorption volume on this currency pair, so I really advise you to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
Traders have mixed feelings towards the Japanese yen. The yen is still in demand. How long can the USDJPY chart go?
I'm expecting lower price on the USD Japanese yen. I found the 50 simple moving average and the strong rejection from that resistance. Also, the strong climatic level, so where the massive selling climax started in the background, that resistance basically held successfully, and I saw the bearish outside bar formation followed, but also some weak demands and some weaknesses after that rejection from resistance. So it is really risky to establish any buying positions on this currency pair. So I advise to watch for selling opportunities, and the first take profit level is set at 103.45. That is the basically level from the previous price action, where I found the swing high, which will act like support. Anyway, the key support level is set around 100 level. So again, due to the strong downward trend on this currency pair, the rejection from 50 simple moving average, and there is also strong price action, candle formations there, I really advise to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
How did the oil price drop change the forecast for the Canadian dollar?
My advice is to watch for buying opportunities on the USD Canadian dollar. This currency pair basically started a strong upward movement and strong upward momentum after the breakout of the downward channel, and also the oil went lower, which actually boosted the USD Canadian dollar higher. I found on the 4-hour time frame, basically, I found a strong cluster. So there is a lot of swing highs in the previous price action of the 4-hour time frame, which acting right now like support. That is an area of about 1.3100. This is a strong cluster which held successfully. I found a pin bar on the 4-hour time frame and also the morning star formation if we observe the free candle formation. So, and there is also rejection basically from 50 simple moving average according to the 4-hour time frame. So again, strong upward momentum, strong buying pressure, and respecting the supports, the investors in the smart money. We can see that they really support the higher price of the USD Canadian dollar. So the first upward take profit level is set at 1.3250. That's basically the previous swing high. And if the price breaks this level, which we may expect, if we see the breakout on a high volume, the USD Canadian dollar may potentially test 1.3370, which is the first resistance there. So again, my advice to watch for buying opportunities, do it to the strong upward trend, do it to the rejection from the support, and also rejection from the simple moving average.
Peter, thank you for your valuable advice. See you next Friday. You've watched ИнстаФорекс TV Link Up with me, Ekaterina Stikhina, and ИнстаФорекс analyst from Serbia, Peter Yakimovic. We wish you successful trades. See you.